day 2 here at the Tuner Revolution House. Got some shoots going this morning with Anthony with some of the Toyo guys. Today is Saturday. Show is tomorrow, Sunday, over in Anaheim. And what cars are you shooting this morning?
We got some cars from Toyo.
Ooh, the people that make the rubber?
Kind of rubber you talking?
We're gonna pack up the minivan real quick. Got their runs and all that good stuff. We're gonna head up to the first shoot location that we scouted out yesterday that you guys saw. But last night was really fun at the club. That was a cool spot. So shout out to TE for renting out that table and doing all that cool stuff for their staff and everything like that, and people that wanted to come through. So that was pretty neat. Nice, Brendan. Is that a Halcyon hoodie you got on? Are those available on This Is Halcyon or .com/shop? I'm just going to. Oh look, are those cameras? I'm just gonna put this right here, so now they don't move.
Oh my god!
Are those is that like all meth?
Man, look.
California, aren't you supposed to be like really warm and doggo? Those are massive melons. Oh, you see this lady's massive melons?
Dude, they're awesome.
Damn. Anthony does not like Dunkin', and he takes me to Starbucks. It's fucked up, man. Bro, we passed Mad Dunkin's. Damn, I can't even use my app or nothing. Minivan rollers. Damn, symmetry for days.
Symmetry?
Yeah, it's kind of like symmetry.
I'll send you another photo. We're just sitting here in the side of the parking lot.
Oh, in a parking lot.
Are you like really close to the ships?
Oh, I think I see your congregation.
Okay.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Oh, what? They went right behind the ships?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Oh, Jesus.
Yo, you could let's ask them to pull up in the ships. Yo, it'd be so sick. Hey, Tommy.
Phone call completed.
It's funny, but I know
Sick.
it's funny.
Oh my god. Almost yeeted the door off.
What's up, man? How are you, dude? You too.
Tommy. How's everything, man? How you been? Very good, very good. Yourself?
Good.
Nice. These are sick.
How's it going? Sebastian. Nice to meet you.
Yo, this is fire. Fuego. So this is this morning's shoot. These are a bunch of cars from the Toyo Tires booth. And some of the homies, Tommy is actually in the middle there. Tommy actually makes videos as well, automotive films. So maybe we'll link him down below as well if you want to see more about his car. I don't know if he posts it on his channel or on YouTube a lot, but he also makes automotive films. His car's in the middle. Anthony's gonna figure out this shoot real quick. We'll talk to him, see what his plans are. We're gonna see what he wants to do. I think this whole strip of road around here we're going down looks really, really cool for rollers, because right now it's dead empty. It's a Saturday morning, so it's pretty quiet. It's right on the water. We have the trains behind us, so we have some really cool backgrounds. So we'll talk to Anthony, talk through his head, see what he wants to do, see what's going on, so you guys can get a little bit behind the scenes of how this is gonna go down.
This is sick. Gonna find a spot to. I think I'm gonna take the van and find a spot to stage them. But I mean, we can play forever. Here, that sounds weird. But I mean, we have all the room to kind of just play around.
I'll play forever. I'm down. Flare.
That's why I thought this would probably be the best place for us to shoot today, because everywhere else has kind of been difficult with the new laws in California.
Alright, have a good day, guys.
You too.
Yeah.
What'd he say?
Don't go past a certain area.
Oh. Well,
Yeah.
He was chill?
Yeah, he was very nice.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Reassuring.
You're not all bad here in California.
They don't all want to pull you over for your exhaust.
Yeah. Tell Seb what we can get on this side.
Seb, if we can get an opposing lane, can you do that?
Thanks, man. How'd that go?
Very well. I just want to get all like the very essentials out of the way before we get more experimental in case we do get kicked out.
What do you mean by more experimental?
So I mean, we can start with all our base rollers, but what would be great is like doing handheld stuff, suction cup, tachometer, stuff like that. Make it shaky and Yeah, you know the RPM gauge?
Yeah.
You know what those are?
You used a big, wow. Don't know anything about cars. I was surprised by you using a big word. Sorry. Take 2, baby. We got our RX-7. Oh, RX-8 now.
Swing all the way left.
Nice. Oh my god, that thing sounds so good. Anthony, swapping out from the trunk real quick to go to the side door to get some side by side, car to car rollers, so we can get some more closer detail shots and not just the plain head on like you would from the rear.
Alright, we're good.
I was trying to frame it up for you, but I'm like, it's too fucking fucking time.
Where's the LS? What are you doing right now?
We're just gonna send him on an audio run while we wait for other stuff to get done.
Cool. What you got on the back there?
Very common questions of what do we use for audio, and honestly, it's like mostly that. Sometimes we put lavs on there, but this new one has a second channel that records at the same time, and it records 12 decibels lower. So between the 2 channels, there's always one that works. Styles of driving, so some downshifts, some rev matches, some small pulls, but like no like wide open throttle, like top banging gear type of things. A little bit of the 2-step you did. Okay. Stuff like that.
Sounds good.
Yeah, then
so no snap, crackle, pop, Rice Krispy?
Wait, does it backfire? Like if you just decel?
A little bit.
What do you guys think of a modded wide body RX-8? And have you seen one before, I guess, should I say, is the other question. Tommy, what is your whip? Your whip?
My whip. It's a 2016 MX-5 ND.
Ooh.
And it's turbocharged. It's a blast to drive. We're out here, Long Beach, having some fun with you guys.
It's also happens to be wide body as well. Where does that kid come from?
It's a fat piggy. It's from Mirasan over there in Pandem over in Kyoto, Japan, and he released it in 2016, and I fell in love with it. Had to have it.
Tommy, have you been to a Turner Evo show before?
I have. I'm from Florida, so I've been to the one at Daytona Beach a few times.
And how was that?
Absolutely love it. It's lit, as they say. Lit, yo.
Have you been to the SoCal show?
No, it's my first time.
What are your expectations?
You know what? The car was out here. I was gonna bring it home early, and I saw that they had a SoCal show coming up, and it's like, I can't miss it. Have to be there.
Hell
and
yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Go. Through this S-turn, occupy the left lane.
Okay.
Alright. Sweep in all the way. What a shot. those yellow markers up there. We're gonna. I was talking to Chris for his little vlog. So there's yellow markers up there. We're gonna use those to fly through the frame, kind of create some action, give us an opportunity to do some sound. Cool. All right. So here we go, Tommy. Try and keep pace with us. Let's get there quick and go for it. Go, Debbie, go.
Did it work?
It's all right.
Damn, they got snow on the mountains out there. That's about to be a fire shot. You got a warship, a Stancy whip, and snowy mountains. Damn. Give us a little update.
So to kind of give it something to work with in between rollers and feature shots, and is he stuck?
Probably gonna help angle him.
Okay, yeah.
He'll be okay.
Just toss in Chris's camera since we have an extra camera here on the tripod with a long lens.
True.
Just gonna do a little tripod panning shot of, I don't know what you can see of that.
Nothing, but it's okay.
Right, yeah.
It's a 135?
Yeah, it's a 135. So from what I can see I'm like really tight in on that band over there. So I'm just gonna follow them down the way.
You said this was gonna be probably like your intro shot?
No, this will just give us something to transition to between rollers and feature.
Triggered. So right now, Brandon and Anthony are both in the back seat. They're going to do a 3-wide roller for part of the film. They're both back there. One's tight and one's wide on their focal lengths. That's the sound of a train for some reason. That is a horrible sound! Oh, that's such a bad sound.
That road over there, turn around, get all positioned. But the idea is you guys are coming down. It's a 2-lane. So for now it'll be 2 you and then 1 and then the minivan. So 2 of you guys are leading minivan and a third here.
California's got some wide roads.
And the shot is going to start with all you, just like your front ends. That's where they flipped it.
You guys...
Let's do another flip.
Let's do it right now. You guys ever seen those Fast and the Furious movies? I don't know if you have, but they're like car movies. It's where a car went upside down.
It's only what based our entire culture.
Most of your audience was like
All right.
born when Fast and Furious.
So Sebastian, slide a little bit to the left, like hug that.
Slide.
Hug this. Let's go for it.
Conk 'em?
Yeah, just give him a beep. Got it.
So we lost one as we passed the cop. The cop passed us, and now Tommy is no longer with us. Well, okay, Tommy's not with us currently right now. And we think the cop turned around and got him because we saw the cop turn around. So fingers crossed. He's okay. Or not pulled over. They're like so strict down here in California, so that's something that we actually have to worry about. Oh, here he is. Oh no! Yeah. Got worried for you for a second, Tommy. I got worried for you, man.
Like, oh man, take me in.
That didn't take too long for another to show up. Anthony is currently taking each car one by one and going inside of them and getting internal shots. So he's going to be getting close-ups of shifting, close-ups of the tachometer, close-ups of like hands on the steering wheel, stuff to cut in with all the other rolling shots that he's been getting for this to kind of add cut scenes or sections in between everything. Also gives him a way to cut into another scene opposite of rollers, maybe the features or something. So he's going to hop in Tommy's car real quick and do those.
It comes right off.
Ooh, look at that new sticker.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.
Oof. Tommy's Miata looks so good. Rotary's a little loud. There go the guys. I'm probably in the background of your shot. Sorry in advance. Damn, Fast and Furious. Way out here. So cool. So this shoot is pretty much wrapped up. They're just grabbing some few photos real quick. After this, I think we're going to the convention center to start the setup and prep. Roland started at 11. It's now 11:09. So cars are starting to roll in. Vendors are going to be starting to roll in right now at the convention center and getting set up for tomorrow's show. So I think we're going to go over there. I'm going to get my merch table set up. All the footage that Anthony's captured and Brandon have captured so far looks awesome. Really cool to be doing this behind the scenes stuff. This is actually pretty neat, so I'm enjoying this as well. Also not working as much, so it's a little relaxing. Although at times, you know, you wish you'd be shooting, but doing this is fine as well. I'm not gonna complain. But they're killing it. And we're gonna head over to the convention center now. Hopefully food or drink is in the middle of that because mucho hungry. Coming in hot.